Hi there. Thank you for checking out the rest of this video. As you would have seen before, you can download a copy of our startup checklist at smslaw.com.au/res-startup. So that's for restaurant startup. We wanted to do this specific video about the kind of things that you need to think about as a restaurant startup, because it's really, really important that when you start up any sort of business, especially a restaurant, that you do it right. And so this is our checklist of items that you need to think about. And so first of all, we want to start with your goals. What are you trying to achieve in this business? Really thinking about that really helps. If you start up with an end in mind, that will help you to understand where you're going, and that will help you to get there. You second need to think about what involvement you want to have in the business. Then you need to work out your competition in your market. Where are you going to run this restaurant from? Any other sort of food business? Where are you going to run it from? What are your financial resources, and do you need to obtain money? So do you need to borrow money from family, friends, banks, your own funds? How are you going to fund this thing? Who is your ideal customer? This is something that a lot of people miss out on, but it's really, really important to understand who you're marketing to and who you want to get that work from. And then that helps you to work out where you're going to find those people who are your ideal customers. Then you've got to work out your startup costs. What's it actually going to cost you to start up the business? Fit out, fees, all the rest of that, license fees, where you will locate the business. So here you want to think about what's that actual location, well, the physical location of it. Then select a lawyer and an accountant. Really, really important, because they'll help you to do the next step, which is set up the right entity. So setting up as a sole trader, company, trust, what is the right entity for you and your business? Then you actually set up the business and the entity. Then you need to think about what licenses and food approvals that you need to have in place to start your business. Different local councils around Australia have different requirements for what needs to go in for a business and for a startup business. So make sure that you've worked those things out. Then you need to make sure you've got your insurance based on where you're going to have the business and what type of business you're going to have. Then you need to borrow the money if you actually are going to borrow money to start the business. Create terms and conditions if you need to have them for your business. And if you're going to have employees, make sure you get some employee contracts. That's all I've got for you. That's 17 steps to help you start your restaurant business. If you do have any questions, or if you want to run anything past me, you can email info@smslaw.com.au. Have an awesome day. Bye.